An association is an organization deliberately formed for the collective pursuit of some interest, or a set of interests, which its members share. Humans, therefore, have various interests, and to pursue them, they form various associations. There isn't a single organization that can cater to every person's interests. An association in sociology is a grouping of several entities created to express shared interests. An association serves as a unifying body, an interest group, to advocate for the interests of all of its associated members, organizations. These might include natural persons like people or social groupings, but they can also include legal entities like associations, or sub-associations, regional authorities of a state, and other self-governing organizations. Associations usually have their own governance law, statute, structural framework, and unifying, long-term objectives. In interactions with the government and other interest organizations, they speak for the members' interests.